Hi, it's Joe. It's Saturday morning, October 1st. It's early, but I'm an early riser, and I'm trying to write a blog about my latest progress on the house, and thought I'd show all y'all the guest room. Basically, we put the guest room in what was a very long, narrow room, and we had this problem along the way, which was that at one end of it, there's a wall we really can't close because we've got to put more electric that's going to go up to the second floor, and also that controls certain things on the first floor. So what we decided to do after having done quite a bit of it was to add a partition. So we start off by basically having an anteroom here because of the electric in the wall. And when we did that, then it was apparent that there was no closet space. So we are going to build this so that any guests that stay can hang things up in this area or put their suitcases or what have you there. Put in this door, which was something that everyone needs a door in their room. And also right now the wiring to this new partition is exposed on this side. But ultimately this will have insulation in it for soundproofing purposes, and then also sheetrock and all. So going into the actual room itself, I moved the rug that was a generous gift from Betsy a few years back in here. This is like the best rug I have. It's genuine wool and it's not a cheap rug. And it really fits the room great. I'm going to hang up a mirror that I have. And now the big feature here is anybody who comes to stay with me will be able to sleep in an actual bed with a mattress and blankets and pillows. It's what they call a full bed, which is also known as a double bed, which is smaller than a queen bed. If you are a 6'6" basketball player, this bed is not for you. I lay down on it. I think it's comfortable enough. And then we'll see. It has one window that I haven't framed. It's got a heating vent. It's conveniently directly across from the bathroom. And the big thing here is, and we haven't really finished a lot of the woodwork and trim, but I wanted to move in because Julie's visiting. And the other piece is I'm going to be putting wall art up, and it's a question of what would go. I've named this the Shangri-La Room because obviously the whole house has a sort of South Asian Himalayan theme. I moved my desk in here because my most likely visitor is Julie, who will be possibly doing work from home here, and she needs a workspace that's private so that she can do conference calls and things. And that actually probably will impact the wall art, although I haven't figured that out yet. And so what's going to be happening is I actually own another desk that I got for free, which is presently at Mitch and Amy's house. And I just have to find a way to get that down here. Now, I'm not in a hurry to get it down here because the room I think I'll put it in is not finished. But also, while no one's staying here, I'm using my desk. But then when Julie stays here, I'll reconfigure it so that she can have it. And basically, one of the great things about this room was I hired a person named Bridget McGowan, who it turns out she's a local person, and turns out is this amazing drywall mud applier. And I have like professional quality mud and sheetrock in here that just looks beautiful, I think. But so that's the end of it.